Rain lashed against the windshield in sheets. The asphalt steamed under the downpour. Inside a battered tactical bus, red emergency lights flickered, throwing the scene into chaos. Sparks flew from the dashboard. Colonel Squint gripped an overhead handle. "Stabilize. The left engine is smoking. Why aren't we turning?" Spark, frantically tapping a calculator, yelled back, "I'm trying, but the steering hydraulics are leaking. The whole system is crashing." Unit 73, calmly chewing gum, added, "The tires are melting. I can smell them." Spark. "Report. Were you monitoring the bioradar?" Squint demanded. The signal was jumping everywhere. "While I was rerouting the power, the primary sensors were failing." The bus jolted hard, throwing everyone to the left. "Hold on, something is hitting us from the side." Squint shouted outside. A dark, blurry shape slammed against the metal hull. Unit 73. "As we were approaching the sector, did you prime the containment field?" Unit 73 grunted, sharpening a plastic spork against his boot. "I was sharpening the primary blade." Squint was incredulous. "You were sharpening a spoon while we were dying." "It's a spork, and I was preparing for close quarters combat." Colonel Spark screamed. "The heat signature is rising. It's closing in on us." "Evasive maneuvers," Squint ordered. The bus spun. "The gravity stabilizers are malfunctioning. We're floating." Spark shrieked. "No, we're falling. Brace for impact." Crash. Silence. Dust settled. "Is everyone alive?" Squint whispered. "What's happening out there?" "Nothing," Spark whispered back. "It's waiting." Unit 73 added, "It was hunting." The roof groaned as metal ripped with a screech. "We were waiting for the extraction team when it hit the roof." A massive, terrifying shadow loomed over them, blocking the emergency lights. "It's screaming. I can hear it," Spark cried. Unit 73 raised his spork. "I was hoping for this part." The shadow lunged, sudden, blinding light. The bus is revealed to be an overturned cardboard refrigerator box. The tactical gear is duct tape and pajamas. Spark wears a colander on his head. A voice calls out, "Kids, why were you shouting?" The dog was barking his head off. Squint, a 5-year-old in an oversized tie, pops his head out. "Mum, we were saving the planet." Spark, a 4-year-old holding a TV remote, adds, "Yeah, the aliens were invading." Unit 73, a drooling toddler, holds up his plastic spork. "Mum sighs, well, dinner was getting cold. Wash up, and please tell me you weren't feeding the dog Play-Doh again." She turns off the light. In the dark box, Squint whispers, "She was buying it." "Totally." Spark replies, "She was suspecting nothing." A tiny ladybug walks on the box's rim. "Target acquired," Squint whispers. Suddenly, the ladybug's eyes glow red. Mechanical gears whir. It opens its mouth and lets out a deafening, distorted dragon roar. The house explodes in a shower of pixels. The living room dissolves into a digital grid. The children are gone, replaced by floating avatars of their adult selves. Simulation failed. Colonel Squint's gritty voice states, "Spark checks a holographic screen." The maternal unit interrupted the sequence. We were losing immersion levels rapidly. Unit 73, now a massive soldier, rumbles. I told you. The cardboard physics were lagging. Reset the grid. Squint commands. We weren't dreaming big enough. Increase the difficulty. What setting, sir? Bedtime?